We continue our discussions on Vedic astrology and the remedial measures which we establish through the study of your horoscope and the strength and weakness of the planets at the time you're born. I've spoken briefly about how this works in terms of the positioning of the planets, which for each and every one of them has a strong point, its strongest point, and its weakest point. Once we establish which of these planets is weak, we can set about remedying that, neutralizing the effect of that planet if it happens to be causing problems in your life. Now I'll just go through the planets, and of course these are based on the traditional view of astrology, which doesn't include what we call the trans-Saturnian planets of Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. So beginning with the Sun, the strong point for the Sun is Aries, and the opposite sign, its weak point, is Libra. For the Moon, the high point in the horoscope, or the Zodiac, is Taurus, and its weak point is Scorpio. For Mercury, the high point is Virgo, and the weak point is Pisces. For the planet Venus, the high point is Pisces, and its weak point is Virgo. For Mars, the high point is Capricorn, the weak point is Cancer. For Jupiter, the high point is Cancer, and the weak point is Capricorn. Saturn has its greatest strength in the sign of Libra, but its weakness in the opposite sign of Aries. We also have the North and the South Node, what we term as Rahu and Ketu. And these two shadowy points, which aren't actually planets, still have as much, if not more, power than some of the planets. And there is I suppose, a difference of opinion as to what the high and weak points are for that particular set of planets. For the North Node, the high point is Rahu, the high point is Taurus, and the low point is Scorpio. And for Ketu, or the South Node, the reverse would be true. Now, in trying to reduce the effects of these negative planets, we need to really look at some of the traditional views, even if they appear a little bit strange to us. I started by talking about the Sun and the Moon in the previous segments that I did. And today I'd like to mention Mars, when that is in a very, very weak point of the Zodiac. The person's energy levels are often diminished. Mars in Cancer is the weak point for this planet. Mars, as you probably guessed, is a very fiery, active, bold and unbridled planet. And being of the element of fire, that planet finding itself in the watery sign of Cancer doesn't fare all that well. Now, if you happen to be born under Aries, or under Cancer, or under Leo, or under Pisces, or under Scorpio, and Sagittarius, these are the signs which really require Mars to be strong. Therefore, we would normally recommend an enhancement of that particular planet through the use of gems and colours for it. Traditionally in Vedic astrology, the ideal gem for Mars is a red coral. That is the primary gem, and it should be a reasonably good size, and of course it shouldn't have any blemishes in it. These days it's becoming a little difficult to get hold of fine quality coral. So the secondary gem is a garnet. A fine quality garnet is actually an excellent gemstone that will improve and enhance the vital force of Mars and reflect back into your bodily energies and bring you back that energy that you're looking for. If you're born under some of the other star signs, such as Capricorn, Aquarius, Taurus, Gemini, Virgo, Libra, etc., then it's important, even if this planet is weak, to propitiate, to neutralize the effects of that planet. The day of Mars is Tuesday, and by far one of the best ways to neutralize those malefic forces is through systematic fasting. That's conducted every Tuesday for a lengthy period of time. Then the cellular energies and the electromagnetic energies of your body will start to be reconstituted, and you will indeed start to see an improvement in that area of your life. One of the other areas that the Vedic scholars have been very clear upon is that for any planet, in fact, making donations or performing charitable and philanthropic works will actually work quite well. So any form of charity, communal work, donations, that type of thing, are an excellent way to reduce the malefic energies of all the planets, and in particular that one which is Mars. We'll continue on some of the other planets. It's great having your company here. I'm Dadhichi from astrology.com.au. Have a great day. Bye for now.